Hello guys, myself Chirag. In this video, we will talk about the most important IC which have changed the picture of electronics engineering. That is MOSFET, metal oxide, semiconductor, field effect transistor. So here we go. In this video, we will only talk about enhancement MOSFET. There are two types of MOSFET, enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. We will only talk about enhancement MOSFET because practically at most of the time enhancement MOSFET is used. And there are two types of enhancement MOSFET, N-channel MOSFET and P-channel MOSFET. This is a diagram of N-channel MOSFET. A MOSFET have three terminals, source, gate and drain. Upper plate is metal plate, and below metal plate there is a oxide layer. Oxide layer is SiO2, silicon dioxide, and below silicon dioxide there is a semiconductor layer. Semiconductor layer is called substrate. In case of N-channel MOSFET, substrate is of P type. So in electronics, only one there is only one device which have silicon dioxide, that is MOSFET. So SiO2 work as insulator. So gate is insulated. Gate is insulated. And the next point is source and drain are symmetric. Symmetric means source and drain can be interchanged. And it has a fourth terminal also, that is called body. It is fourth terminal. Generally it is grounded. It is grounded. It is a 2D diagram of MOSFET, three terminals, source, gate and drain. Thickness of oxide is TOX. It is TOS, thickness of oxide layer. And length of channel is L. This is a channel length L. It should be noted that SiO2 exists only between gate and semiconductor. Drain is directly connected to semiconductor, and source is also directly connected to semiconductor. So there will be always drain current, but gate current will be always zero. Doesn't matter it is ideal or non-ideal, gate current will be always zero. It should be remembered. Why it is zero? Because semiconductor is insulated, so there is a no gate current. And I have already said that source and drain can be interchanged, so source current is equal to drain current. So this is symbols of N-channel MOSFET. This is a base. By default signal, by default at maximum time you will see this type of symbol for NMOS. It is also called NMOS. Now we will talk about PMOS or P-channel MOSFET. The only difference is substrate semiconductor is N-type. This is the only difference, and it is P plus type. This secondary semiconductor is P plus. In blue color it is P plus, and in orange color it is N type. Again it has the same three terminals, source, gate and drain. Width is W and length is L. We will only consider the length between source and drain. So area of gate terminal is W cross L. It is a 2D diagram of P-channel MOSFET. Here substrate is N-type and these are P+ type semiconductors. It is a symbol of P-type semiconductor. Here arrow is inside the MOSFET. It is called PMOS. We will talk about current voltage characteristic. There are two type of current voltage characteristic. At y-axis there is a current ID. There is only one type of current, that is drain current. And next is voltage is input voltage VGS, gate to source voltage. So it is called input characteristic because it is a graph between ID and VGS. VGS is gate to source voltage. And second type of characteristic is output characteristic. Output characteristic is a graphical representation between ID, drain current, and VDS. Here VDS is drain to source voltage. So in next slides we will talk about how these characteristics are drawn. Input characteristic is curve between current ID and VGS. This is input, and we have assumed that VDS is constant and it is large enough. It is large means we are assuming that MOSFET is working in saturation region. When VDS is applied at drain, तो drain positive होगा. If drain is positive, then it will attract electrons from source side. But कोई भी electron drain की side नहीं जा पाएगा. क्यों नहीं जा पाएगा? Because there in middle between source to drain there is a P type semiconductor. This is a P type. P type में majority किसका होगा? Holes का होगा. Holes are majority. So electrons, when we electrons go from source to drain, it is combined by holes. तो कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन सोर्स से ड्रेन पर नहीं जा पाएगा तो आईडी करंट कितना होगा? 0 होगा. सो इन दिस केस व्हेन VGS इज 0, आईडी करंट इज ऑल्सो 0. डजेंट मैटर कि VDS कितना है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इवन वी इंक्रीज VDS तो भी करंट 0 ही रहेगा. क्यों 0 रहेगा? बिकॉज देर इज ए नो चैनल. देर इज ए नो चैनल between source and drain. This is the main reason. So ID current is 0. So first we have to induce channel between source and drain, then only ID current can exist. So this is the next case. When we apply VGS, here we apply VGS and it is variable. We have increased VGS. Let's assume it is a small. It is a small. Then VDS is constant. This is a constant, and it is VGS is variable. When we apply VGS at gate, तो गेट पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. दिस इज मेटल प्लेट, तो मेटल प्लेट इज पॉजिटिव. Then it will attract electrons from P side. Here electrons are minority carriers. here electrons are minority carriers at p side. So when VGS is increased to positive value, minority carriers from substrate are pulled. So n type of channels is induced. अब यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ जाएंगे तो ये दिस यहाँ एक चैनल बन गया, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ चैनल इज कॉल्ड इंड्यूस एन टाइप चैनल. दिस इज इंड्यूस एन टाइप चैनल. ये सेकंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट की एट विच वोल्टेज इज इंड्यूस, that VGS voltage is called threshold voltage. This is an important term. मैंने काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज में ये पूछा जाता है कि व्हाट इज थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज. थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज इज VGS voltage at which channel is induced, and VT is threshold voltage is positive for N channel N MOSFET and negative for P MOSFET. This is N MOS. तो यहाँ हमने पॉजिटिव लगाएंगे तो ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पुल होंगे, माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स पुल होंगे. ठीक है. व्हेन इट इज पी मॉस तो यहाँ पर होल्स का चैनल बनेगा. सो नाउ चैनल इज क्रिएटेड. सो दिस इज अ ग्राफ. और assumption is that MOSFET is operated in saturation region or VDS is large enough. And in saturation region, ID drain current only depends on VGS. This is a formula of drain current. You can see that drain current only depends on गेट टू सोर्स वोल्टेज VGS. इट डू नॉट डिपेंड ऑन VDS. यहाँ कोई टर्म नहीं है VDS का. सो दिस इज द करंट इन सैचुरेशन एंड दीज आर कॉन्स्टेंट्स. एंड excess of VGS over VT is called effective voltage, or it is also called override voltage. So override voltage is VGS minus VT, because we know that कि VGS must be greater than VT. जब VGS VT से थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज से ज़्यादा हुआ तो ही चैनल इंड्यूस होगा, then only current exists. So VGS minus VT is called effective voltage, or it is also called override voltage. And you can see that ID is directly proportional to VGS minus VT का whole square. So it is a parabola. This is a parabola. So this is a curve between ID and VGS. This is called input characteristic. Next we will talk about output characteristic. Output characteristic is curve between drain current and VDS voltage, drain to source voltage. यहाँ हमने assume किया है VGS is constant and VDS is variable. तो कुछ इस तरीके से कर्व आएगा. In next slide we will talk about how this curve is drawn. So this is the case. Here you can see that VDS is variable and VGS is constant, but it must be greater than VT. Again, we must take VGS must be greater than threshold voltage. You can see that ki drain will be positive compared to source. It is a 0 volt और इट इज ए पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज. जब यहाँ पॉजिटिव आएगा तो नियर ड्रेन देर इज ए डिप्लीशन लेयर. दिस इज डिप्लीशन लेयर. दिस इज डिप्लीशन रीजन. डिप्लीशन रीजन आएगा बिकॉज देर इज ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज. तो नाउ दिस इज चैनल. दिस इज ए चैनल, इलेक्ट्रॉन चैनल. तो because of this depletion region, this channel length at drain side must be reduced. It is reduced. It is called channel length modulation. So when we increase VDS initially, current ID will increase initially. It will increase from 0. So this region is called triode region. Our assumption is that VDS is small. VDS is variable and small. This is called triode region. In this region, current will increase. But simultaneously, channel length also decrease. Channel length क्यों decrease हुआ? Because of depletion layer at drain side. This is called channel length modulation. This is a most important question. It can be asked in interviews. What is channel length modulation? Channel length modulation is reduction of charge channel between source and drain. It occurs due to depletion region. Why depletion region exists only at drain? Because drain is at more voltage compared to source. Source is at 0 voltage and drain is at high voltage. तो यहाँ पॉजिटिव आएगा, तो ये रिवर्स बायस बन रहा है. यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज रिवर्स बायस. दिस इज ए रिवर्स बायस कि एन प्लस पर आप पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज लगा रहे हो एंड पी टाइप तो आपने देखा ग्राउंड था 0 वोल्ट पर, बाय बेस इज ग्राउंडेड. तो ये क्या बन रहा है? दिस इज ए रिवर्स बायस. ड्यू टू दिस रिवर्स बायस डिप्लीशन रीजन इज क्रिएटेड एंड ड्यू टू दिस डिप्लीशन रीजन चैनल लेंथ इज रिड्यूस नियर ड्रेन. दिस इज कॉल्ड चैनल लेंथ मॉड्यूलेशन. When we again increase VDS, now assume VDS is large. When we again VDS is increased, तो क्या होगा? डिप्लीशन रीजन विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. तो यहां पर चैनल लेंथ बिल्कुल कम हो जाएगा. दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड पिंच ऑफ. एंड इन दिस कंडीशन only constant number of electron can go from source to drain. So ID current becomes constant. This condition is called saturation region. So this is the condition when VDS is increased beyond VGS minus VT. So ID current become constant. This is called saturation region. Channel length also decrease because of depletion region. This is called pinch off. So in again इंटरव्यू में ये पूछा जा सकता है व्हाट इज पिंच ऑफ वोल्टेज. पिंच ऑफ वोल्टेज इज occurs when VDS is increased above VGS minus VT. VGS minus VT. ठीक है. VGS minus VT is also called VDS saturation voltage. ठीक है. Diagram of output characteristic. We will see the current in saturation and triode region. First, this is a saturation region. This is a saturation region. Saturation region कब होगा? When VDS is greater than VGS minus VT. VGS minus VT is saturation DS saturation voltage. This voltage is VGS minus VT. When VDS is greater than VGS minus VT, so MOSFET will be in saturation region. In MOSFET in saturation region, current होगा ID equal to 1/2 mu COX W upon L VGS minus VT whole square. Here mu is mobility of electron and COX is oxide capacitance. We will see it in next slide. Oxide capacitance. And W upon L is aspect ratio. Width upon length. Now next region is triode region. If VDS, this is a triode region. If VDS is less than saturation voltage or VDS is less than VGS minus VT, then current will be linearly depend on VDS. Here you can see that it linearly depends on VDS. Here ID is proportional to VDS. तो यहाँ देखिए in this formula there is a VDS voltage. So this is a output characteristic in ideal condition. Talk about the PMOS, then it will be just mirror image of previous diagram. You know that threshold voltage is negative. Threshold voltage for PMOS is negative. It is here. So when in this region, this is an off state. So when voltage VDS is greater than VTP, तो ये रहेगा off. Then there is a triode region. This is a triode region, and this is a saturation region. This is a saturation region. So saturation region कहाँ होगा? When saturation voltage is VGS minus VT, when VDS is less than VGS minus VT. Condition is just opposite to NMOS. saturation कब होगा? When VDS is less than VGS minus VT. So this is saturation voltage, saturation region. ठीक है. करंट का फॉर्मूला सेम रहेगा, हाफ म्यू सी ओ एक्स डब्ल्यू अपॉन एल वी जी एस माइनस वी टी का होल स्क्वायर. करंट फॉर्मूला इज सेम फॉर बोथ पी चैनल एंड एन चैनल मॉसफेट. जस्ट डिफरेंस इज here mu is mobility of hole. In NMOS there was a mobility of electron. Here is a mobility of hole. This is the only difference. And triode region, when VDS is greater than VGS minus VT. This is a triode region condition. This is a condition. कब होगा ट्रायोड में? जब VDS ज़्यादा होगा VGS minus VT से. तो ये वो एरिया है. Here this is in triode region. VDS saturation कौन क्या होगा? VGS minus VT. When VDS is greater than VGS minus VT, it will be in saturation region. And you know that it will be in triode region. And in triode region, ID is directly proportional to VDS, drain to source voltage. Here in this formula there is a VDS, and in saturation formula current was independent of VDS, but in triode region current depends on VDS. This is the difference between saturation and triode region. In triode region current depends on VDS, and in saturation region current do not depend on VDS, it only depend on input VGS. Now in this diagram we will see both VDS and VGS effect. This is the curve between ID and VDS. When VDS is applied, but VGS is less than cutoff threshold voltage, then current will be 0. तो यहाँ current होगा 0. जब हम VGS थोड़ा increase करेंगे, when VGS is equal to VT plus VO1, here VOV है override voltage. ये होगा VGS minus VT VOV. तो हम यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं VGS equal to VOV plus VT. when we increase VGS यदि हम इनपुट को और इंक्रीज करेंगे तो करंट फिर से इंक्रीज होगा. when we increase VGS current will also increase in saturation region, because in saturation region current ID is directly proportional to VGS minus VT का whole square in saturation region. तो जैसे हम VGS को इंक्रीज करेंगे तो ID भी इंक्रीज होगा. when we further increase the VGS तो फिर से current will increase. So this is a voltage VGS equal to VT plus VOV3. VOV3. When we further increase VGS, then current will also increase. So in this direction we are increasing the input VGS. It is increasing the saturation current. This is saturation current. Here K is mu into COX, W upon L is aspect ratio, VOV is VGS minus VT. So saturation current is increasing when we are increasing VGS. So in this shadow, everything is saturation region. Now we will see drain resistance and oxide capacitance. The capacitance across oxide layer. The capacitance across oxide layer is called oxide capacitance. It is generated due to charge at gate side and charge inside induced channel. So oxide per unit area is epsilon upon TOX. It is formula of parallel plate capacitor. Here EOX is permittivity of silicon dioxide. It is 3.9. 3.9 into epsilon naught. So this is a gate. It is a metal. It is a oxide. So oxide thickness is TOX. यहाँ पर चैनल इंड्यूस होगा. इट वाज पी टाइप. तो चैनल होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन एन टाइप. तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा. तो डेफिनेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस इज व्हेन देयर इज ए डाइलेक्ट्रिक बिटवीन टू चार्ज प्लेट्स देयर इज ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस. तो यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा मेटल पर और नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस. दैट कैपेसिटेंस इज कॉल्ड ऑक्साइड कैपेसिटेंस. Now next is drain resistance. We will see the drain resistance in triode region. Resistance is voltage upon current. So we know that the current formula ID is equal to KW upon L VGS minus VT into VDS. This is the formula in triode region. So when we differentiate it with respect to VDS and we reciprocal it, so this is a drain resistance. So there are two regions. This is a triode region. This is a triode region. So the resistance at triode region is given by this formula: 1 upon COX WL VGS minus VT. And drain resistance in saturation region is infinite. Why it is infinite? Because slope of VDS VGS curve in saturation. This is saturation region. Slope is 0, so ID upon VDS is 0, so current is resistance is infinite. This is ideal case. Now we will see the resistance, drain resistance in non-ideal case. In last case, we have assumed that there is a channel length modulation was ignored. Now, ideally, channel length modulation was ignored. But if we take account the channel length modulation, here near drain, this is drain, this is a source. When we increase VDS, तो चैनल का लेंथ रिड्यूस होगा. तो चैनल का लेंथ किससे रिड्यूस होगा? डेल एल. So this is reduction in channel. Due to this reduction in channel current, there is a other formula of current in saturation region. Lambda is equal to 0 in ideal case. But when we take account of channel length modulation, this is the formula. So this so RDS will change in saturation region. In saturation region, drain resistance was infinite, but in this case it will be finite. You can see that in saturation region it was a ideal case. It was a ideal case. In ideal case, drain resistance was infinite, but in this is a non-ideal case. तो यहाँ पर कोई ना कोई रेजिस्टेंस आएगा. दिस रेजिस्टेंस occurs, this parameter is lambda parameter. So current definition will change. In saturation region, in ideal case, saturation region, current was half of kW upon L VGS minus VT का whole square. In ideal case, current do not depend on VDS, but in non-ideal case, ID will depend on VDS by some lambda amount. Next question which can be asked in interviews or examinations, that what is body effect? This is the formula of threshold voltage. This is threshold voltage. It depends on VFB. Here VFB is flat band voltage. Flat band voltage, and phi f is work function, and VSB is source to body voltage. So हम ये कह सकते हैं कि VT depends on बॉडी वोल्टेज, कि जैसे ही हम VSB को इंक्रीज करेंगे तो VT इंक्रीज होगा. इट शुड बी अवॉइडेड. वी डोंट वांट टू इंक्रीज थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज, वी ऑलवेज वांट टू रिड्यूस इट. तो हमेशा हमें VSB को ज़ीरो रखना है. VSB को ज़ीरो कैसे रखेंगे? सोर्स इज तो बॉडी को हम ग्राउंड करेंगे. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन to reduce threshold voltage. This effect is called body effect. The threshold voltage depends on source to body voltage. To make it to reduce the threshold voltage, we make body voltage to 0. This phenomenon is called threshold. This phenomenon is called body effect. please write doubts in comment section, and please subscribe my channel to get latest update. Thank you.